Good day to all of you. Today we shall discuss hex to decimal conversion. So, hex number system. In that the base is 16. The base is 16. The base digits in hex number system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A. So after 9 we have A, then B, C, D, E, and the last base digit is F. These are the base digits in hex number system. So these are the base digits. So in hex, okay, what are their values in decimal? So in decimal, 0 means 0, 1 means 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So till 9 this remains same. Both hex number and decimal number are one and the same. But in hex A means in decimal it is 10. B means 11. C means 12. D means 13. E means 14. F means 15. Okay. So what are these? These are the base digits in hex. How many base digits are there? 0 to here 9, that is 10. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 base digits in hex number system. And this column indicates equivalent decimal value. So till 9 the decimal value remains the same. So next, A means decimal value is 10, B in hex means 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, F means 15. Now we shall see to the example for conversion. Suppose if in example if number F is given which belongs to the base 16, what is its decimal equivalent? So decimal equivalent. So F means in the list we have here, F means its decimal value is 15. So that we can take directly here. So this is 15. So F to the base hex means its value is 15 in decimal. Similarly, second number if you take 9. 9 in hex is already we have seen from the list 9 in hex is same as 9 in decimal. So here hence 9 in hex is 9 in decimal only, right? Then third example if you consider, suppose 10 in hex is given, what is its value in decimal? That is the question. For that we have to follow the following procedure. Take the number, that is 10. For each place take weighted value. The base is 16, hence the weighted value is 16 raised to 0 here. For second place 16 raised to 1. Next what we have to do, this value into 1 into 16 raised to 1. Here 0 into 16 raised to 0 we have to take. Then we have to add. So take 1 into 16 raised to 1 is 16 plus this 0 into 16 raised to 0. So 16 raised to 1 is 16. Then 16 raised to 0 is 1. So this is 1 into 16 is 16 plus 0 into 1 is 0. Hence the final is 16. So given hex value 10 in hex is equal to 16 in decimal. So suppose fourth example if you take, that is 17. So this is in hex. What is that in decimal value? So take the number, then weighted values for each place. Here 16 raised to 0 for the first place, 16 raised to 1 for the second place, Then this 1 into 16 raised to 1 plus 7 into 16 raised to 0. We'll have to add. So 1 into 16 raised to 1 is how much? That is 16 only. So 1 into 16. This is 7 into 16 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 means any number to the power 0 means it is 1. So 1 into 16 is 16 plus 7 into 1 is 7. So 16 plus 7 is 23. Hence 1 7 in hex is equal to 23 in decimal. So next we shall go to fifth example. Right? So 1f in hex is equal to which decimal number? Take the number 1f, multiply by place values here. First 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1. Then we'll have to add. So 1 into 16 raised to 1 is 16 plus f into 16 raised to 0 means that is 1. So 1 into 16 is 16, right? So next here f means, already we know that f means 15 into 1. So 16 plus 15, that is equal to 31. Hence 1f to the base 16 is equal to 31 in decimal. Okay. So next sixth example we shall take, that is 20 in hex is how much in decimal? Take the number 20. Take weighted values for each place. 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1. We'll have to multiply and next add here. Hence 2 into 16 raised to 1 is 16. Then plus 0 into 16 raised to 0 is 1. So 2 16s are 32. 0 into 1 is 0. The final answer is 32. Hence 20 in hex is equal to 32 in decimal. So like this, if you take now 2f in hex, so what is that in decimal equivalent? So take the number 2f, then weighted value for each place, 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1. Here we'll have to multiply, then add. 2 into 16 raised to 1 is 16 plus f into 16 raised to 0 is 1. So 2 16s are 32. Then f means 15 into 1, that is 32 plus 15 into 1 is 50. So 15 into 1 is 15. Now you will have to add this. 32 plus 15 is 47. Okay. Hence 2f means in hex, 2f in hex is equal to 47 in decimal. Right. So next we shall take 8th example. So we shall take next example 30 in hex. What is it in decimal? So 30 we shall take, we will multiply by its weighted values. So 16 raised to 0 here, 16 raised to 1, then we shall add. So 3 into, this 3 into 16 raised to 1 is 16 plus 0 into 16 raised to 0 is 1. 3 16s are 48. This is 0 into 1 is 0. Hence the answer is 48. So the final answer for 30 in hex is equal to 48 in decimal. Right? So another 3-digit number we'll consider, that is 9th example. 3f in hex is which number in decimal? So take the given number 3ff, then weighted values here, 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2. We'll have to multiply here, then we'll have to add. So what we have to write? 3 into 16 raised to square plus f into 16 raised to 1 plus this f into 16 raised to 0. Okay, what we have written, 3ff number is given, that is in hex. We have to convert it to decimal. So take the given number, then weighted values for each place. For the first one, 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to square. These two will have to multiply each time, then all we have to add. So 3 into 16 raised to square here plus then f into 16 raised to 1, that is here, plus f into 16 raised to 0. 3 into 16 square means 256 plus f means already we know that it is 15 into 16 raised to 1 is 16 plus f means 15 in decimal. Then 16 raised to 0 is 1. Now here 256 into 3. Okay, so if you do 256 into 3, 3 6 are 18, so 3 5s are 15, that is 16, 3 2s are, so this is 768 plus 15 into 16, so 15 into 16 if you do 15 into 16, so 16 5s are 80, this is 240 plus 15 ones are 15. Now what we have to do? We have to add all these three. So let us see what we get. 768 plus 240 plus 15. We'll add these three. Okay, what we will get? 8 plus 5, 13. 6 plus 4, 10. Here 12, 1 carry. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 1 0. That is 1023. 1023. Hence 3ff in hex is equal to 1023 in decimal. So let us consider the 10th example, that is 400 in hex is equal to which decimal number. So take the given decimal take the given hex number 400, then we'll have to multiply their place values here. 16 raised to 0 here weighted value for the first place, the second one 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2. Next all will have to add after multiplication. So 4 into 16 raised to square, this plus 0 into 16 raised to 1, this plus 0 into 16 raised to 0. Okay, next 4 into 16 raised to square means 4 into 256 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 0 into anything is 0. So 4 into 256 if you do here, so 256 into 4 if you do, that gives 1024 plus 0 means the final answer is 1024. Hence 400 in hex is equal to 1024 in decimal. So what was the topic under discussion here? Hex to decimal conversion. If a hex number is given, how to convert it to its decimal equivalent. I hope you understood. Thank you.